Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you want to stay ahead of market trends? Empower's investment insight keeps you informed. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to explore investment insights and market commentaries on Empower. Now, the first step is to access insights. Now, from your Empower dashboard on your mobile device, you're going to click Planning and Advice and then go to Investment Insights. Next step is to browse market commentary. So you're going to scroll to read expert articles, economic updates, and market outlooks tailored to investors. Next step is to check portfolio specific tips. Now, Empower highlights insights that are relevant to your portfolio sector and holding, so you can check those out. Next is to use for decision making. Now, you want to leverage this info to adjust allocations, to manage risk, or to spot opportunities. The final step, of course, is to stay updated. New commentaries is added regularly, so you want to make sure that you visit at least once a week to keep your strategy current. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.